Welcome to another luxury listing featured by the Rocco Group here in Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach, Jacksonville, and surrounding areas. I'm excited to take you in to show you this pristine, beautiful home in Amelia National Golf and Country Club. We are in Amelia National, one of the best new home golf communities in Florida, where just one visit here will have you in love with the Florida golf community lifestyle. Featuring an 18-hole golf course, championship quality tennis courts, luxury fitness center, clubhouse facilities, and much more, residents of the amenity-filled Fernandina Beach new home community of Amelia National Golf and Country Club are experiencing a vacation-type lifestyle each and every day. So why wait to buy new construction when you can move in to this turnkey home? Come on in, I'll take you around. Welcome to this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, just shy of 3,400 square feet. Directly to your right is bedroom number 1 with a closet, could serve as an office as well. And then we have our formal dining room, which is quite spacious, as well as a formal living room. This grand foyer is spectacular. It's a 2-story foyer with the loft overlooking the entryway. All the space you could possibly need in this master bedroom with a sitting area as well. On into the owner's bath, but first we have 2 double closets. We also have a dual vanity with a spacious bathroom. So throughout the home, you're gonna see ceramic tile, laminate wood floor. You'll find custom features such as granite, oversized kitchen with just an abundance of cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a gas fireplace overlooking the preserved backyard. I don't think I have been in a cleaner garage than this one. This is a 3-car garage, completely finished, drywall, knockdown ceilings for your 2 vehicles or a toy or golf cart, whatever you may choose. So I'm out here on the covered lanai, which will be the future home of your gorgeous pool. This lot goes back substantially further than what you can see and still is protected by this gorgeous, serene preserve. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Follow me. Welcome to the loft overlooking the entryway and the formal living room. This home is pristine. New carpet, new flooring, new paint. I mean, everything about it is beautiful. I'm in one of the bedrooms. We have the bathroom here. Look at it, everything's updated, neutral aesthetics in our 2nd bedroom. I hope you loved this home tour just as much as we love this home. If you have more questions, you can reach out to us with details below. We have a force of agents that are ready to help you here in the Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach area.